Today we're going to do a very short demo on Tableau's visual capability. It's one of the dataset from Advent of Code, link posted below. I loaded in Tableau public, same visualization. You can try to play it, but because the restriction on the play speed, it's better to see in a fast mode. Let's click play to see what's going to happen. It's quite interesting challenge, so anyone want to play with their coding knowledge, you can give a try. Quite simple rules to set up. Tableau I just use as a visualization. Next, we have look in a much more interesting in a big scale. The actual data points for the second part of the challenge is massive. It's exponential growth. So we have a lot issue with rendering. I speed up a bit to see the visual effects for it. Okay, so we can also have a look how I built this animation. The hard work is actually done in Outworks in the rendering for the challenge itself. The workflow itself is not as complicated. If we exit the mode, we can look at the data sources structure. Because it's animation Tableau, so it's pretty much run as a page. Field one, that's the symbol. That's actually, you read the challenge itself, you can see what it represents. It tell you how each dot is behave, either move towards the right or moving down, depends on some condition. Row column, so the idea once out there, it's almost like a brute force. You data pad the whole grid, then you run through each combination at a certain order. Iteration number we can create. For a small scale, it's about I think 10 by 10. Then for this, we can see for the second part of the challenge, when you have a much bigger scale, you may looking at a lot more iterations to continue. The sheet itself, on the top, the way I named it, row and column, they name as it is. We just drag our fields into it. The key thing is the page is the iteration number, so we want each iteration we have a dots representing where they are. The choice of formatting is up to the user. I added a color and some custom shape to make it visually appealing. When you have a lot of dots, it does take a lot of time for Tableau to render. So do be careful of that. Yeah, other than that, give a try for the challenge from the link. Then try to build some interesting visual out of that as well. Thanks for watching.